Hi friends, thank you very much for clicking ABC Learning English Solution. Friends, today on this podcast, we are going to discuss about the usage of be used to. Here, my dear friends, be used to means, be means the be verb. Maybe am, maybe is, maybe are, or it can be used was, were. Actually, in this format, suppose here in this structure be used to then something, that means, my dear friends, be maybe am is are then used to, then if it is a noun, then we have to write down the noun form. Actually it is the objective form of that noun, that means the same object. Here be used to doing. My dear friends, if it is am or is or are then used to, then doing means if it is a verb, then we have to write down the continuous form. I just mean to say so. Here I have written two sentences. Let's look at these sentences. I am used to in India. Look at this sentence. This is the subject. Then am used to, it is am is the be verb, then used to, then the object, or you can say this is the noun. India is the noun. But here the same thing, subject, then be, then the term used to, after that it is the verb form. So we have written the verb with ing, v1 with ing. That means I am used to cooking, I am used to in India. Here, my dear friends, the term be used to, that means am is are then used to, this expression is used for talking about something that is familiar to us. Here we are talking about something, that means the subject is familiar with this object, or you can say it is easy for us. You can say it is easy for us. Here I am giving you one example. Look, I am used to in India. That means I am familiar with this country. I don't have any problem in this country. I am familiar with it. Actually, this term used to actually here means accustomed, or you can say habituated. It means accustomed or habituated. Friends, whenever we have learned the usage of only used to, there we have seen that it means the past activity. But here it is not the past activity. Here it means accustomed to. Accustomed to that activity. Suppose I am saying I am used to study hard. I am used to hard work. Here in this sentence, my dear friends, it means I am habituated with this type of hard activity. I am familiar or I am accustomed with this activity, and I don't feel any problem to perform this activity. I don't feel any problem to perform hard working. I feel it is very easier to me to perform this activity. That means I am accustomed to this situation. Here in this sense we use the term am used to, or is used to, or are used to. That means the term be used to. Here in this sentence, my dear friends, you can see I am used to cooking. It means, cook, this is the verb. So I am used to cooking means for this activity I am. So my dear friends, one thing we have to remember whenever we will use this term be used to, actually this is not a tense. This is not a tense. It is a special structure. We can call it a tense, but there is no such particular name or particular classification of tenses, but this is one kind of tense we have to take it granted. Now friends, let's think about the structure of it. Actually, my dear friends, the structure is, at first we have to place the subject, then the V verb, that means am, is, are, was, were, this one, and then used to, then a noun. One thing we must remember, my dear friends, here we have to place the noun form. We cannot use the verb form here or something others. We have to use the noun form of that object. Now, my dear friends, I am gonna give you one example. Let's look at the example. Whenever we have done this one, the usage of used to, we have discussed that it refers to the past habit. So I used to get up. Look at the structure, look at the difference between these two structures. I used to get up early in the morning. This is the sentence. I used to get up early in the morning. That means getting up early in the morning, it was my past habit. Right now I am not habituated with this activity. That means I cannot get up early in this morning. It means so. But here we are writing down another sentence. Let's look at this one. I am used to getting up early in the morning. It means this is the subject, this is the be, am is used here. We know am is used with I, that's why we have used am. Then the verb, it is the verb used to. Now, my dear friends, we have to write down the noun form. We cannot use a verb form here. It is actually a noun, it's not a verb. So I am used to getting up early in the morning. It means I am habituated to get up early in the morning. I am familiar with it. That means I don't feel any problem right now. I don't feel any problem to get up early in the morning. It means so. And here we have used the ing form. Actually, my dear friends, this is the gerund. This is the gerund. It means the verb form, we add ing, verb with ing. Present form of the verb is added with ing and it is used as a noun. It behaves as a noun in the sentence. At that time we call it a gerund. It is actually a gerund. It's not a verb. My dear friends, I think the usage of getting up or get up here in this sentence, it is clear to you, and obviously you can use be used to in your regular conversation or writing as well. So my dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.